You can't come to a French town without seeing an O2 TV, can you? So we are just leaving the campsite now, the one where we're staying at the moment in Honfleur. So this is the campsite that we stayed at when we pulled in last night. Camping de Phare. And it is a really handy campsite because there's the campsite. And you come out of the campsite and basically you are in Honfleur. It's kind of right in town. Awesome. Look at the little houses. That house. Oh my gosh, look at that. Kind of puts you up to shame, doesn't it, really? The house in there. Look at that one, Bernie, look at that one. The bell on the wall. I don't know why they'd have a bell right up there, but hey ho. It is quite a beautiful village, isn't it? Well, it's not a village, it's a town. So this is coming into the main part of Honfleur. It's really busy already, and it's only, what time is it? About 10 o'clock? And this is the centre of Honfleur, and it looks like a whole busload just arrived. Oh, this is a proper carousel, look at that! This is the famous harbour. Look at that pretty church. It's now a museum. Musée de la Marine. Oh my gosh. Look at that up there. that where I belong, Bernie? If you walk down the little back streets, this is the stuff that you find. Look at this. And it's part of this little courtyard, this beautiful courtyard. Look at the house, and then look at this one. Look at this. Beautiful. People miss this because they don't come round back. Look at the letterbox. Oh, this is... Okay, so apparently this road was called the Butcher's Stall Road, and it had all the butcher's shops in the 17th century. And this one here is the only one that's actually remains, that's actually fully made out of wood like it would have been in the 17th century. It's amazing. This one here at the end, it's fully still wood construction. That's amazing. You can't believe something like that's still there. Wow. You need to really get away from the main harbour area and get down some of these back streets because they're absolutely beautiful in Honfleur. There you go. Rue des Petites Boucheries. So that's the butcher's road with the old wooden butcher's stall. Isn't it though?
The sun's coming in.
Yeah.
Clouds are burning up.
Yeah.
Nice cool breeze though. Have your trip over.
Town is quite stunning, really. Let's go have a look at the beautiful church. Come on, let's go have a look. Oh, it just gets better and better. this. Look at this. This is the church. Look at the church. The windows. It's massive. It looks tiny from the front. And then you come around the side and it's huge.
And there's the bell tower.
Look at that church tower, Bernard. Oh my goodness. And this is like the main courtyard of the church. With a little market going on. Vegetable market. If he sees a door, he's got to try it. Old door. Oh, hello. I guess that was the bell. This town is absolutely beautiful. If you come to France, you've got to come to Honfleur. It's worth it. Stunning. It's beautiful to walk around. And some of the houses have got little private little courtyards. Look. There's the tower. There's the bell tower. So we've just come through into the church that we were walking around, the beautiful old church. And this is the church Sainte-Catherine, Église Sainte-Catherine in Honfleur. Look at this, a beautiful, beautiful church. Hope you'll be able to see some of this on camera. It's all wooden, look. Complete wooden construction. Beautiful. All beautiful carvings. And that is one big organ, church organ. Let's walk down. Look at the beautiful windows. The sun's shining through them, so you probably can't get the beautiful, beautiful. You can't. That's a pity. I'll see if I can take a photograph. But the stained glass is beautiful. It's all wood, isn't it? It's just everything's wood. Shall we go this way?
Yeah, I'll put the glasses on.
Mm-hmm.
Glasses right there. You said it was going to be overcast.
I think I might have been wrong about that one. Look at that. Sweets. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at the little chocolate cakes. There's a little cat. And a cow. And a horse. That's so cute. Look at all that chocolate in there, Bernie. Oh my gosh, that's a proper chocolate shop. And look at the posh boxes. €5.50 per 100 grams for their chocolate. Wow.
That's actually dearer than cheese.
That's actually dearer than cheese. Yes, very expensive. They're €1.60. That's not so bad. They're €1.60 each for the little mini pastries. Wow. Okay. Oh, that's a very posh gallery. Look at that. Look at that. Some very nice shops, very exclusive looking shops down here. Lots of art galleries, which is really nice. There's cats up on the roof. Don't know whether you can see them with this.
They're watching the chicken.
They're watching the chicken. Yeah. Yeah, another beautiful little side street. I know. Well, you can't come to a French town without seeing an old 2CV, can you? Perfect.
There's a sign on it for sale.
Did it?
Yeah, €2.
So we've had a lovely time walking around Honfleur, the town. We're back. We're heading back to the campsite. Yeah, it's getting really hot. So we're heading back to the campsite. We were going to have lunch in Honfleur, but it's really expensive. So
It's not cheap as chips.
It's not cheap as chips. It's quite expensive.
I'll tell you what, I think it's got cheaper than it was 10 years ago.
Yeah, probably. But we're going to head back. We're going to have a nice BLT for lunch. So let's head back to the campsite.